In a significant political shift ahead of the upcoming local polls, the opposition camp in North Tripura suffered a major blow as 228 voters from CPIM and Tipra Motha officially joined the ruling BJP on Sunday. The mass joining took place during a formal ceremony held at the Khahamthai Para under the Damcherra area. The event saw the presence of several top-tier BJP leaders who welcomed the new members within party flags. Key dignitaries included Minister Khahamthai Para, Das, BJP North District President, along with other district and mandal level leaders. The tribal population is realizing that only the BJP can provide sustainable development and security. Today's joining in Khahamthai Para is a testament to the people's faith in the Prime Minister's vision. BJP will bring massive development in TTADC if they came into power, said Minister Khahamthai during his address.
Khahamthai kamiwo hayai chungtini joining program o kamini joto takugrongno belai hamba tini je Tipra Motha yakroi te CPIM yakroi hainarangno belai hamba ani logi tongo district ni president mandal ni president Tripura state ni Janajati Morcha ni GS board president Bipindria te joto kamini ani rangsani khazan takung tongo Borongna Chini log Thaiman bagai pipeline hambai CPM ni botongo prai 29 family ni prai 50 jon ni upor tongo borongno hambai hangai agami din mo Damcherra seat 1 number Damcherra seat je buskango sudo somoy ropekha ang onek jaga miyak thangka joto borongno sawo je 5 bochor sekang Tiprasani kok sawo sentiment ni kok sawo get ati problem mari dinai Tiprasani bagai kahamna hinai uroni iem Chini borong gona boboron jondiang onek kok sai thanga kento mungsari phailia 5 kg mari pun borak sari meya magna sung Chini Amit Shah te Narendra Modi ji tini rajyone borong gona mukhyamantri Professor Dr. Manik Sini netritwe jeng borno chathai tongthai borong ni family ni jotto rikha agami dino borinai tei bongni te kaisa rimaya pho rimobo rinai je nok thaini patani byabostha khaimaya ko mobo ungnai kintu chung sirinai jara Tipra Motha rok jotto phai borok bun bakha khai tongo je borok siri ungnai takuk chong norong bisiti ang nonos median bisiti sawo je scheme implement khai mane resettlement খাই মানে মজতন মোদি জিনি বাকি সম্ভব Tipra Motha 1 কেজি পুনো মারি চারি মেয়া আবান বাবেনো বিভ্রান্ত তংদে जों Tipra Motha ro কোনো খাইমেয়া जों বসকাঙ্গো এডিসি ও ফাইমানি পরে जों এডিসি এরিয়া নো ডেভেলপমেন্ট খাইনাই লামানি ব্যবস্থা খাইনাই কারেন্টনি ব্যবস্থা খাইনাই দুইনি ব্যবস্থা খাইনাই স্কুলনি ব্যবস্থা খাইনাই চিনি যারা বেকার চারা নো চাকরির ব্যবস্থা খাইনাই বসকাঙ্গো
The induction is expected to significantly strengthen the BJP's organizational base in the Panisagar and Damcherra constituency. Reported by Sanjit Priang from Kanchanpur, Chini, Khorang.